Hello, and welcome to part 14 of the Bentley build. Stage 16. The rear axle. The parts cut out and ready for cleaning. Using nail files and diamond files to smooth the surfaces. And smoothing down the seam lines, making sure the joins can't be seen. The first coat of Humbrol Matt Black, number 33, 50/50ths mixed with thinners. Revell Rubber Black, number 9, to give a different texture. After test fitting the wheels, a coat of Humbrol Gloss Cote. A final Matt Cote application. Put to one side, ready for the next stage. End of part 14. Have you left a comment? What do you think?